So you have finally decided to do paragliding. It's one thing I could say is, that will be definitely one of the best decisions of your life. But before you do it, this is a must-watch video for you, because in this short video, I'm going to talk about some of the important things that you should definitely keep in mind before you attempt paragliding. So, first and foremost, don't compromise on your safety just because of saving 500 rupees or something, because it's not worth it. Because experiences like this you want to repeat, right? It shouldn't be like you will never do it again experience, right? It should be like, okay, I want to do this again experience. So I think, and the first step in achieving that is do not compromise on your safety, right? So just like in B, right, it was 3,500, and there were people who were saying like, hey, we will take only 1,800, but later we found out that it was like untrained paragliders, and also be very careful there. Now that aside, right, the other things are, you should definitely have a basic fitness so that you can run easily, right, and walk steep hills, something like that, right? Because when you do paragliding, the force of the wind is too much when you take off. So I don't know if you have seen my paragliding video. The initial takeoff part is, you'll be like constantly racing against the force of the wind, and it will be pulling you backwards. So a little bit of fitness is required there. Now the third point is around weight. So the maximum limit is 90 kgs. That's what I read from the website, but I think it's like +5 here and there. It shouldn't be a problem, but that's the upper limit of the weight. And after that, the fourth point is do not eat heavy, right, before your paragliding experience, right? So eat light, and that too before 1 hour. Don't eat like just 15 minutes before the paragliding takeoff. The next important thing is definitely in the skies, right? It will be bright sun, right? You should expect that because those are the mountain areas. There will be sunny, bright sun, and also have sunglasses. So I didn't have sunglasses, but I purchased a cap because I couldn't find sunglasses around. And then have some sunscreen. So I did it in winter, so I didn't apply any kind of sunscreen. But if you do it in summers, definitely take sunscreen with you, because it will be on high altitudes the sun is at its peak, so you don't want to have sunburn and all, right? So, and the next thing is you should wear some comfortable clothes, because the clothes shouldn't be too tight, in which you can't run or just stretch or something like that, right? And same goes for shoes as well. Have some shoes with grips, right? Because when I did it, it was like snowy at the top, and I have seen the snow I think first time. So I had wear sneakers on, and I slipped, or I tripped at one place. So yeah, don't get too excited if you're seeing the snow for first time, just like me. So I was jumping all around the place. There was black ice, hard ice, right? So I tripped there. But yeah, have shoes which have some grips and you're comfortable in running in them. And the next thing is, if you love your phone, right, don't put it in your jeans pocket. Try to have something with zipper, right, where you can put it, lock things in that. You will have a GoPro, which the paragliders or from wherever you have booked, they will give, and it is attached with a thread, right? So if it falls from your hand, it's not a problem, right? There's a thread attached to it. But for phones, it's not the case. So try to put it in some kind of pocket where there is a zip, and you lock it, right? Don't put it in jeans, because when you will sit, there's a high probability that it will slip out. So hope this video would have given some good idea on what to do, what not to do before you attempt your paragliding. But yeah, if you want to just see the experience, I have shared the detailed video on on my channel. I hope you would have found this video useful. If yes, hit that like and subscribe button. Until then, you get to live. Make the most out of it.